Hi, this is Fake Review Watch and I'm Kay Dean. If you subscribe to this channel, you know that review platforms like Google are just rife with fake reviews. However, for places such as mental health or addiction treatment centers, you'd like to think you wouldn't find any review fraud. Think again. And Google knows about it. Earlier this year, I saw this Google review by James Edmonds for Agape Detox Center in Florida. Nothing suspicious about that, except that Edmonds had also reviewed U.S. Express Moving in New Jersey. Why is that suspicious? Because I had done an investigation on moving companies getting fake Yelp reviews. One of those companies was U.S. Express Moving in New Jersey. In fact, News 12 in New Jersey did a story on my investigation, highlighting the fake Yelp reviews for U.S. Express Moving. When a business gets reviews from people who are reviewing businesses I already know have fraudulent reviews, that gets my attention. I decided to take a look at Agape more closely. Here's a recent Google review of the Agape Detox Center in Port St. Lucie, Florida by Jason Flowers. Curiously though, note that he says it's one of the greatest and most established low-cost therapy clinics in San Francisco. He also says he finished his internship at the facility. Just a month earlier, Jason said he was receiving physical therapy treatment at Mindful Health Solutions in Seattle. But around the same time, Jason also said he was receiving mental health care from Mindful Health Solutions' Los Angeles office. So just to recap, all within the past month, Jason says he finished his internship at Agape Detox Center in Florida, which he claims is in San Francisco, was up in Seattle for physical therapy from Mindful Health Solutions, and received mental health care from Mindful Health Solutions in Los Angeles. Let's look at these clinics more closely. Agape has a treatment center, a detox center, and a behavioral health center all in South Florida. Mindful Health Solutions offers comprehensive psychiatric services at 18 clinics in California and 6 others in Washington, Texas, and Georgia. There seems to be quite a few patients who use both Agape and Mindful Health Solutions. Here are Jason Nevo's Google reviews I captured on October 30th. He loves Agape Treatment Center in Florida, but he also praises Mindful Health Solutions San Francisco office and its Fairfield, California office, all within 2 weeks. And here's Jeffrey Gordon, also captured October 30th, who says his son has been helped by Agape in Florida, but who himself has used 2 different Mindful Health Solutions offices in California. Now, perhaps you could think that Jason and Jeffrey could be using a mix of in-person and telehealth appointments, and that their reviews are plausible. Let's look at a larger sample size of Google reviewers for these businesses on a spreadsheet. Across the top of this spreadsheet are 56 Google profiles, 55 of whom have posted 5-star reviews for 1 or 2 Mindful Health Solutions locations. Down the left side are Mindful Health Solutions, Agape, and 10 other businesses who have received 5-star reviews from these profiles. The first thing to note is that 21 profiles have reviewed both 1 or more Mindful Health locations and an Agape location in Florida. Note also that 3 Mindful Health reviewers also reviewed the same carpet cleaner in Texas. 2 of those 3 reviewed Agape as well. Let's look at Juan Bradley's reviews. Here's Bradley's 5-star review from a month ago of dirt-free carpet and tile cleaning in Corpus Christi, Texas. He says he's a first-time homeowner. Interestingly, he also posted this 5-star review a month ago from Mindful Health Solutions San Francisco office, praising Dr. Shafi and his team. Yet just a week ago, he posted this 5-star review of Mindful Health Solutions Seattle office, saying that he has bipolar disorder and chose Mindful Health Solutions after visiting several health centers. So I'm confused. Does Bradley live in Seattle, San Francisco, or South Texas? Back on our spreadsheet, as we scroll right, we see other suspicious patterns. 9 profiles reviewed Mindful Health and Umbrella Movers in Las Vegas. Another one reviewed Agape and Umbrella Movers. 7 profiles reviewed Mindful Health and Cobra Van Lines in New Jersey. 1 reviewed Umbrella Movers as well. As we look right, we see these patterns continue. Multiple profiles reviewing Mindful Health solutions and other businesses in common, particularly moving companies. Here are 4 profiles who reviewed both Mindful Health solutions and Dumbo Moving and Storage in Queens, New York. Let's check the reviews by Christian Kruger. Here's Kruger's 5-star review from 3 months ago for Dumbo Moving and Storage in Queens. He moved from a 2-bedroom to a 3-bedroom home and says Dumbo turned a potentially stressful day into an exciting start at a new home. I want to point out a couple things here about Kruger's review for Mindful Health Solutions' San Francisco office. First, he says he lives in Santa Monica and apparently has for at least a few years, so that doesn't square with his supposed recent move from one house to another in New York. Second, he refers to Dr. Shafi in San Francisco as she, whereas Juan Bradley referred to Dr. Shafi as a man. Let's take one more look at our spreadsheet and scroll all the way to the right. Here are 20 more profiles who have not reviewed our mental health providers, but the overlapping review patterns continue for the other businesses. Overall, the patterns on this spreadsheet are simply not believable, and I conclude that a network of fake Google profiles is providing reviews for these businesses. So, can't all-knowing Google see this fraud? Apparently they do. Here are side-by-side screenshots of the Google listings for the Agape Detox Center from February and November 2023. Note on the left that the Detox Center had a perfect 5-star rating based on 65 reviews back in February. However, on the right you see that in November, the Detox Center had a 4.9-star rating based on only 32 reviews. How did the center lose over 30 reviews? Most likely, Google removed them. Here's a screenshot I captured on November 25th of the reviews by Google profile Faye Pratt, who was on our spreadsheet. You can see she reviewed the Agape Detox Center in Florida and one of Mindful Health Solutions' California offices. Her review of Agape begins, "The team here went above and beyond." Her review of Mindful Health begins with an incoherent comment, "The doctor of is a really excellent physical therapist." The next day, I saw this. Note the review begins, "The team here went above and beyond." It's Faye Pratt's review. However, note the reviewer is called a Google user. I've seen this before, and this is what happens when Google is in the process of removing a review. Here's Faye Pratt's Mindful Health review being removed the same day. Evidently, Google agrees with me that these reviews are fake. On the same day, I saw this review being removed by Google for the Agape Treatment Center. Now, you might say good on Google for getting rid of this fraud. However, don't you think Google ought to warn potential patients of these practices that it has been removing fake reviews? Furthermore, the fake reviews just continue to roll in. Here's one for the Agape Detox Center posted just a day after Google removed Faye Pratt's review. Why do I think it's fake? Because Manuela Joe just happened to have reviewed one of Mindful Health Solutions' California offices 2 weeks ago. The Agape Treatment Center also got a new fake review just a day after one had been removed by Google. Why do I think this one by Pauline Landis is fake? Because Pauline also reviewed Mindful Health Solutions' Seattle office just a week ago. Folks, this is how it works on Google, a continuous cycle of fraud. Sure, Google removes fake reviews, but they are quickly replaced with more fakes. Plus, while Google sometimes catches them quickly, I've seen plenty of fake Google reviews up for months or even years. So you can't trust Google for genuine reviews, even for mental health and addiction treatment centers. It's not only Google, however. In my next video, I'll show you that both Mindful Health Solutions and Agape are also receiving fake Yelp reviews.